Hello everyone, Sian here, Archer and Olive Ambassador, also known as Apperceived Grace, both on Instagram and YouTube. Today I'm going to be showing you some cover page inspiration, especially if you feel like you can't draw or are not good at drawing. So let's get started. I personally feel like I'm not good at drawing, and I know a lot of people feel the same way. When I first started bullet journaling, one of the things that inhibited me was like, oh, well, I can't doodle or draw, because that was a lot of the inspiration I was seeing on Pinterest, on Instagram, and whatnot. And then I discovered that you can absolutely use papers, stickers, rely on lettering, ephemera, relying on labels, all kinds of different things to decorate your bullet journal pages and make them your own. So in this video, you're going to see several examples. You'll notice that I do rely a lot on papers. Vellum was just in that last example, craft paper, scrapbook paper, and sometimes I even use washi as like instead of paper. So I'll like create a washi tape wall is usually what I call it, where like I line up the washi over and over again on a page, and it creates like a wall on my bullet journal page, and instead of looking like washi, it does look like I put some printed paper on there. And so I really like all of these ways to decorate my pages. I also really enjoy layering. In these examples, I'm relying heavily on stickers and paper to create these really like full cover page spreads that obviously have a clear theme. And even if you don't think you can letter, you can always print out some typography like I did in this example for your month or your quote page or what have you. In this example, I'm using washi tape as a border around the paper that I'm using in the center there as a print. And then this was the washi tape wall example. So all of that dainty floral in the background, that's just washi tape that I lined up over and over again, and it looks like it's printed paper in the back, and then there's some ephemera and just a nice collage layering kind of aesthetic going on there. So I love layering in general. I love creating these full page spreads. I'm more into that right now, but here are some examples where I'm just doing like a little mosaic, a sticker mosaic in the middle, and this is from last year. These journals are all from like previous years, including this year, and so just a bunch of different ways that I've been interested in creating cover pages, but these three look very cohesive together. They're August through October of 2023, and there's just a little sticker mosaic in the center. I did start out bullet journaling in 2019 where I attempted to draw and wasn't really using stickers. So here's a couple of examples of how I've started and how I definitely clearly came into my own with my style, relying on stickers and relying on other materials to create cover pages that work really well for me. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out the corresponding blog post to this video linked down below. I hope you got some inspiration from these cover pages. Thanks again, and we will see you in our next video.